Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are seeing this face for the very first time, you are absolutely welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, you are welcome. Thank you so much for always stopping by. Please ignore the person that is behind me. She's helping me do some cleaning, and today this is where I am right now. I'm in the kitchen, and the kitchen just got repainted, as you can see, and she's washing the towels, the cabinet, and that's what I have right now going on. So when I'm done, I'll bring back the stuff I took outside for cleaning, and then I'll finish up with my room that I started. I want to install my curtains, and I'll do some cleaning this morning. So that's what I'll be doing. If this is the video you would want to see, please stay tuned and watch up to the very end. If you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe. And to my 231 new subscribers, thank you so much for joining the family. God bless you. You do not know what that means to me. I appreciate you. In my 8 months journey on YT, I think this is the highest subscriber count I have ever recorded. Thank you so much for counting me worthy. Thank you so much for joining my channel. Thank you so much for joining my space. God bless you. Let's get into the video. Yeah, I've started rearranging, so I just have my microwave there, and I want to quickly make breakfast for my children. They've gone to school, so I'll make their food, pack it in their lunchbox, and take it to school for them. So that's what I'm about doing. I want to quickly make rice and stew, and I want to make sapa stew. I'll drop the recipe very soon. So the recipe should have gone up here. So if you are watching this vlog right now, I am not seeing my sapa stew recipe, go and check it. That stew can go for anything and everything, and it will be giving you what it's supposed to give. So let me quickly pack my children's lunchbox, and I'll see you in the next clip. Guys, my tired is tired. I am so tired, so exhausted. I want to go and make my hair. I want to go and get my hair done. Then I'll come back and install my curtain. Then okay guys, I just came back into the room, and I still have a lot going on, but I want to install my curtain right now. I want to change the curtain from this one. I want to take this off and change that. I bought something for my towel, but I don't know how to hang it, so I will figure it out now. Then I'll sweep and mop, then arrange the bed, then I'll go back into the kitchen to see how far the cleaning is going. Then that will be all. So I'll see you in my next clip, probably when I am installing my curtains. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for sticking by me. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I like the background already. Ignore that mop, please. I'm still cleaning. African Magic is playing behind. So my curry. guys. it's not as low as I wanted. So the person that sold it took a lot in, so I'm just going to take it to my tailor to loosen the hem and probably just give it a tiny stitching and stuff like that. But this is how it's looking. Stuff. In Irish, dear. Hello guys. Each day, I don't know. At this point, I've lost count of how long we have been on this process. There is no energy this morning. I am tired. And I still have a whole lot to do. I am currently in the sitting room and farm. The sitting room is in a mess. It just got painted as well. So I'm about to start cleaning and arranging. I am tired. I'll be taking little breaks in between because I can't go for a very long time this time and I'm tired. So you can see what I have. I have a lot of things to clear. Let me turn the camera and show you guys. You can see how messy everywhere is. So I'm going to start right now. So guys, I've done the little I can do today. I'll continue the arrangements tomorrow. And in the meantime, I want to go to the salon right now to get my hair done. I just want to do a very simple style, just to take it away from this position. So that's what I want to do right now. Please ignore the background noise. My children are watching cartoon at the moment, so that's why you're hearing the noise. Okay, so let's go.